Something in the night killed the owl, and I'm telling you, it was not the wind. Something's going down, times are changing up. Stop, look, and listen. Things are rearranging, everything is changing. Gotta get down and get up. Sifting through the ashes, what can you find when everything is to be redefined? Hear the same voice saying again and again, are you ready to begin? This is the age of Aquarius upon us. Look at the times now and how they're changing. This is the age of Aquarius. Hear the sound of the System Krush. What can't bend may break. Things can't remain the same. Dawning of Aquarius, the truth becomes us. Far beyond what we've been taught. Something in the night killed the owl, and I'm telling you, it was not the wind. Greatest story never told now begins to unfold. Things hard for us to believe, things we can hardly conceive of. We are not alone, no. Have we ever been? The truth can't remain hidden. Long it has been known, but never ever shown. Forbidden by the system. Said it's been a long time coming, and it's finally coming our way. Long time coming, and I'm so happy to say